Hello to everyone. Now I am in France territory and this is the view of the falls from the deck. It's a beautiful, isn't it? In the left side is the Swiss territory and in the right side is the French territory. As you can see, it has a deck for viewing. Look at them, have somebody over there. Now that's me. This is the view deck and picnic area. It's a beautiful day in the forest with a beautiful cliff. Here we can see the French restaurant and the lake is the border. In the middle, that's the bridge connecting Switzerland and France. So in the right side, this is the Swiss restaurant. There you go. We are in France, so we're crossing the bridge going to Switzerland. We are going this side to watch the falls. So stand by. Thank you for watching. It's a beautiful day.